Okay, this is for Uncle Pat. We heard that Uncle Pat's hunting dog doesn't like the water, so we wanted to show you a little something that Polly does. It's pretty cute. Okay, Polly, 1, 2, 3. There's Polly. We thought you'd appreciate that. Oh, I know. She'd be a great duck hunter. She loves to get the ball and bring it back in the water. Okay, Polly, come. Polly, come here. Polly, come. Oh, get the ball. Okay, ready?
No, Polly.
This is so cute. Polly! Wait, Emmy, watch out. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Leave it. Good girl. Oh, it keeps falling in the water.
I'll get it.
Okay, you throw it for her.
Nope, Polly, come.
She's fine right there.
Oh!
Oh.
One! Polly, one!
It's back there, Goof.
I was like, one. He jumped.
She likes to just swim around.
Yeah.
Come on, Paul. Come on. Come on, Polly. Good girl. Good girl. All right. I just think that's hilarious. Good girl, Polly. You're a good dog.